Hello class, welcome to this first virtual class due to this terrible disease, coronavirus. We are going to begin with grammar, the definition of grammar. What is grammar? It is a branch of linguistics, a science that involves the study of language and how it works. In grammar, we have to take into consideration two main areas, which are morphology and syntax. Morphology, as the same word says, is the formation of words out of morphemes. For example, the word useless is made up of two morphemes, use and less. And syntax, another main area, deals with the combination of words to form phrases, clauses, and sentences. Later on we are going to see what is a phrase, a clause, and a sentence. In grammar we have 5 grammatical units according to their importance. One of them is the morpheme. The morpheme is the minimal unit of language with meaning. A word, it may be a word or part of it. For example, the word unbreakable. Unbreakable has 3 morphemes. Un, one morpheme, break, another morpheme, and able, another morpheme. 3 morphemes. Then another unit is the word. Words are formed out of morphemes. And we have, as for instance, woman, beautiful, table are words. Then we have another unit, which is the phrase. What is a phrase? It is a group of words defined by its head word. That is to say that each phrase has a head. For example, the noun phrase. If it is a noun phrase, the head of this phrase is going to be a noun. If you have a verb phrase, the head is a verb. An adjective phrase, the head is an adjective, etc. In the prepositional phrase, you generally have a preposition plus a noun phrase. For example, if you say on the table, it is a prepositional phrase because it begins with the preposition on, but in the prepositional phrase it has a noun phrase. Which is a noun phrase? The table. But altogether is a prepositional phrase. Then we have another unit, which is the clause. The clause is a group of phrases. It has at least one noun phrase and one verb phrase. For example, Susan left the class. The highest unit is the sentence. There are three types of sentences. They are simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence. Simple sentence, it is one clause. For example, Jane bought a house. It has a noun phrase, Jane, and a verb phrase, at least one, bought, and then another noun phrase, a house. Compound sentence. A compound sentence, it is made up of two or more independent clauses. Independent means that they can stand by themselves. And they are linked by a coordinating conjunction. And what is the coordinating conjunction? The conjunctions or, but, and, so. For instance, I saw Samuel, but he didn't see me. If you take the two sentences, I saw Samuel, he didn't see me, both of them have meaning, complete sense, but they are linked with the conjunction, the coordinating conjunction, but, and it forms one sentence, which is called compound sentence. And finally, we have a complex sentence. A complex sentence is made up of a main clause and at least one dependent clause linked by a subordinating conjunction. For instance, you will definitely lose if you don't try. So you have a main clause here is you will definitely lose, and one dependent clause, you don't try. So it means that you don't try depends on the main clause, you will definitely lose. And both clauses are linked by the subordinating conjunction if, and altogether form one complex sentence. You will definitely lose if you don't try. And when they are linked, when complex sentences or the two clauses are linked, they have complete sense. Well, okay. This is all for today. I will be sending you material to read the theory and exercises to do. Thanks for watching.